Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, introducing my new employee. He's a little green. He doesn't really know a whole lot. This is Beemer. Beemer's the new shop dog. Now what happened to the old shop dog, Coco? Well, unfortunately Coco passed away about 1.5 years ago, so we waited quite a long time to find a new shop dog. This is him. Yep. He's pretty lazy, but he's also pretty feisty too. So, Beemer is a full-blooded, purebred English lab. At the time I'm making this video, right now today, this is his 12th week on Earth. And yeah, he's 12 weeks old today. He's just a young pup. But I hope that he will be a fantastic shop dog. Hopefully he learns a little something about these BMWs from me working on them all the time. And guys, if you would like to come and visit Beemer, please feel free to reach out. Hopefully he's going to be a great shop dog for me. We chose this breed because these are known to be very calm and chill and very happy to meet people. So he's a little tough to deal with right now. We've only had him for 1 week, and boy, talk about a loss of sleep. I know you guys out there, a lot of you guys are dog lovers, a lot of you have had puppies, and boy, puppies are definitely they're a trip. Boy, they are time consuming, they are all consuming. And we got this dog in the fall here, in the late year 2024. Mostly because, well, work in the shop is down a little bit at this time of year, and you know, I can spend the most time teaching him, and hopefully he's going to learn something. Right? He's going to learn something. Yeah, he's a good boy. So hey guys, if you want to send Beemer some well wishes down in the comments, I'll certainly read them to him. But also, if you wanted to send him some actual things, like some toys for out here in the shop, or maybe some really healthy snacks. We don't want any of the garbage snacks. We're really trying to feed this dog well, like organic stuff and just natural snacks and things like that, no rawhide. But if you want to send him something, I'm going to put the address, his mailing address is going to be right down in the description down below, and you guys can send something out to him. And do stop by. Stop by and say hi to Beemer. He's going to be the shop dog. He'll be in here from now on. Usually when I'm working on these bikes, he'll be down underneath foot, and yeah. You guys will see him in future videos. Hopefully we're going to see him for many, many, many years to come. It is so sad that our old dog passed away at a young age, really. He died. I know some of you are going to wonder what happened to him. He got cancer, and it was very, very sudden. He started to stagger a little bit, so we took him to the vet, and we discovered that he had a big tumor in his abdomen, and within 6 weeks he was gone, and it was super, super sad. And it took us a long time to get over the passing of Coco. He was a fantastic shop dog. He loved everybody. He loved other dogs. Just really was just a joy to be with. And well, we've had quite a few dogs in the shop here, and boy, he must be sleepy. Either that, or he's trying to tell you that he's not a threat. I'm not sure. But anyway, you can see how big he is. He's got the great coloring of the breed. He's got his little angel wings on there. I'm not sure if that's really angel wings though at this point. You know, could be something else. He could be a menace. He's a menace. He weighs all of about 18 pounds. And yeah, just say hi to Beemer. Hi, Beemer. Yeah, he's a good boy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. What is your deal?